Room 2121 is a Dolphin View room in the Family Pyramid building. Let's take a look. Now this room sleeps 5. It's very rare to find these at any resort, and they usually go very quickly. So you've got your 2 doubles, a pull-out couch, a lovely sitting area, entertainment vanity here, place for your luggage. This is a Dolphin View suite that sleeps 5 here at the Hyatt Ziva Cancun. I'm also greeted by this beautiful bathroom, shower, tub area, all in one. Some nice double vanity. It's just a gorgeous bathroom space. So this is a Dolphin View room, and you can see why. You are steps away from the dolphinarium. We've got a lovely day bed out here for relaxation. Table and 2 chairs and a drying rack. Offering beautiful resort views and views of the dolphinarium.